Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarians, if there is a specific someone that you really love and you really would love to have them back in your life, but you don't know, will they ever come back to you, yes or no, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. Will they come back to you, yes or no, is going to be the topic for this reading. We will be taking oracle cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Aquarians, let's find out whoever it is that you really love and would love to have you, would love them to come back to you, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. Let's dive into the read and let's find the answer. Will they come back to you, yes or no? Let's begin. Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, the Devil, Page of Pentacles. I don't see this person coming back to you at all. It seems like this person is pretty much doing good for themselves, and they might be into some. I don't see this person missing you or thinking about you at all. It seems like this person is doing good for themselves. They are happy with their life. They are enjoying their stability. They are enjoying their passion. They might be into they might be somebody who is flirtatious, somebody who has lots of people in their life, be that men or women. This person seems to be having a lot of fun. They are somebody who's enjoying the money as well. So I don't think that this person could be possibly missing you or something, or would like to come back to you. I do see this person to be happy in whatever they are doing in their life. So I don't think that they will ever choose to come back to you. I don't see that energy at all. They might message, talk to you, but nothing more than that. Mm, mm, mm. I don't see that they would come back to you at all, because there is I feel like whoever this person is, they have moved on. They have other people in their life, so they would not choose to come back to you. For some of you, they might have maybe already got engaged to someone else or got married to someone else as well. But seems like this person is happy. Maybe when they wanted to be with you or they wanted things with you, maybe you were not there for them. Now they have moved on, and now things are like changed for them. So they might come back to you to the point where they have some sexual encounter with you, some good fun times with you, but not to the point where they would see you as their specific someone. I don't see that energy at all. um I don't see that. Hold on. No, I don't see that they would come back to you. Maybe if you reach out, maybe they will talk to you nice way. Maybe they might meet you up, but nothing more than that. I don't see that energy at all. They have a lot of other people who are interested in them. I don't know what ended the connection, but seems like they are not thinking much about you. Let me see what is actually they thinking about you, or the connection that they once had with you. Do they even think about you at all? Because I don't see that. um they have other people in their life, they have other things happening in their life, so why would they do so? At times maybe they think of you, but nothing like serious enough to the point where they would like to call you up, meet you up, text you up, to to plan to see where things can go between the two of you. It seems like they, if you message, if you try to reach out to this person, they might talk to you the nice way. They might plan to have some good fun times with you, but nothing more than that. The answers you need are coming. So seems like maybe you already know that the person that you are dealing with, or the person that you are asking about, maybe they have basically moved on. They are okay without you, and if you reach out to them, they would be okay with you as well, but nothing more than that. Nothing is set in stone. Maybe they are not with another person right now. Maybe they are, okay to have fun times, good times, sexual encounters with random people. They might be open to date and meet new people, ready to mingle, and single as well. um, but I don't think that this person would be reaching out to you. If you reach out, maybe they will talk to you, like I said. So I don't see them reaching out to you for sure. I don't see them coming back to you. If you want, you can go back to them if you want. A message for you: I am thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. They might have loved you a lot. Even if you message, they will be like, very nice to you. They will think of the good times that you spent together, but nothing more than that. It seems like, this person is doing good for themselves without you as well. Love yourself first. They might be doing that as well. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Maybe they want you to love yourself more. Maybe they don't find you more, they don't find this connection to be more alluring to them, or they don't find it more fun to them right now. Maybe they have kind of moved on with their life, moved on with the situation when they once loved you. So I really don't see that this person is going to be like, somebody who's going to come back to you. If you want, maybe you can contact them up, but then don't expect anything heavy from this person, because this person is going to be like, maybe they will not respond. I feel like, they could be very flirtatious, because with this one card that came up, I am thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. They might be like, very flirtatious. I don't know why this energy is showing up with this card here, but um that's what they have to offer. Some fun stuff and nothing more than that. Let's take one card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the read. Sun, enjoy success and happiness. This person could be enjoying success and happiness in their life without you for sure. So maybe they are not like, gonna be open to, maybe they are enjoying being single right now as well. So they would not need to be with anyone as well. So yep. Or maybe for some of you, they might have already moved on to a new relationship, and that's why they are having good time, fun time with the one that they are with. But I do see them as somebody who's very flirtatious as well. Isolation. For some of you, this person could have chosen to stay single for at least quite some time. So they don't want to be in any relationship. And I don't see them reaching out to you. I don't see them coming back to you for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.